Hey everyone, Gil here at Grayman Prepping. On today's episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about a grid down survival plan. Now I know several days back, last week, we talked about EMP, but we're not talking about EMP type grid down situations. We're talking about localized grid down or regional grid down, where it could be caused by a lightning strike on a substation and you have it trip several of the breakers throughout the system around. So you get a little area out without power, or you get a little bit larger area without power. There's been several ones where like the Northeast has gone dark and for a couple of days, and other ones where the Northwest went dark for a couple of days, actually almost a week for some of the areas up there because of the storms. So a grid down situation can be very localized. It can be hours, or it can be weeks, or even a month or two while they're getting repaired. The area where you in could be without power, but you drive 10 miles to the next town and they got power. All right, so you got to have a plan for different intensities of the grid being down and how it's going to affect you and what you need to do to cope with the grid being down and trying to live a normal life as best you can. So work on your grid down survival plan and include different areas of scope of the grid being down, and also plan for different time lengths as well. All right? So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month and plant an indoor garden.